Hey guys, it's Brittany, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're returning, then what's up? So today I'm back with another plan with me, and we are going to be planning for May the 20th through May the 26th. So if you want to see that plan with me, just stay tuned. So I've chosen this washi that I'm going to use today, this rose gold. I'm going to go ahead and white out my lines, and I'll be right back. Decided that I'm gonna pull back out Daydreamer because I'm really in love with these pastel colors, and then I'm also gonna incorporate this sticker pad from Rongrong and Happy Planner, the pastels. So let's see what we come up with. I am really loving this Born to Shine sticker, so I think that is gonna be the first sticker that I lay down. So I'm going to lay this Born to Shine sticker right up here. I think I might need to white out some things just a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and lay this sticker right here. Born to Shine, I like that. So on Thursday, I already have a little assignment for myself. So I'm going to go ahead and put this Project Due sticker right here. I'm gonna take this Girl Gang sticker, and I am going to put that right down here at the bottom. Alright, I like that. Let's see if we see any other stickers with those same colors. I'm liking these good vibes right here. So let's go ahead and take that one and put it on Monday. And then I also saw, what is it? This sticker here, and I'm gonna find a clear sticker to go on top of that. Alright, so I found the perfect sticker. So this says, start each day with a grateful heart. So I'm going to layer that on top of here and create a new sticker. So I think I'm going to stick with these pinks, blues. I might take that up, so I'm not doing that. Alright, so I end up taking that up just because it was just like, it's not as soft as of a pink that I'm going for. The pink is a little bit too bright, so just gonna put that back down there. I'll use it another time. So we're sticking with this pink and purples, pink and purples. Alright, so down here I normally cover this up, so I am going to take some of these big circles, and I might use this one day at a time to lay across here. Ooh, or what about this? So we have this right here. That might be kind of cute, and then put some of those circles over top of it to kind of hide that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this Radiate Positivity and Happy Life over here. This one says The time to be happy is now. And I'm gonna put that right about here. And I'm gonna cut that excess off. This washi, I think, and put over top of notes, and I'm gonna just put important over it. Take this light colored important sticker. Go like that, or should we do like purple? Let's do purple. I am going to take this sticker here. It says to buy, but I'm actually going to take that off in a minute. And I'm going to put it here, but I'm going to just cover up that to buy and put something else. Put one of these importants right there. I think I'm going to move it up. Alright, so to bring in some more of this greenish blue color, I'm going to use some of these sticky notes. I know that on Monday I have a little assignment that I want to start working on. So I'm going to probably put that on Monday at the top. I'm just going to stick it here for now until I make a final decision on if I actually want to like seal it down or not. I also went through pastel colors, this pastel book again. I found this take notes, so I'm going to use that. I think I'm going to put that right here, and then I'm just going to cover that part up with something else. One of these to put over top of the take notes, and I think I'm going to do the important. I am also going to take some of these little icons. This is the Simply Lovely. I'm going to put some of those on the side over here. I like that so far. Colorful boxes, and we're going to add a few boxes for a few things that I know that I have going on. I don't think I'm going to keep this up here, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. So I am going to go in and add some little embellishments throughout this spread. So now I'm going to take the Happy Memory Keeping book and look at the dates. I am going to go ahead and white out my dates, and then I'm going to cover them with the date covers right here. Now I'm using Simply Lovely, and I'm taking some of those icons from there, and I'm just going to place them throughout the spread so I can write little to-do lists. Now I'm just going to take my washi and break up some of the sections that have those boxes in there. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to call it a wrap right here. As you can see, this is the spread for May the 20th through May the 26th. I am really loving these pink and purple pastel vibes that this is giving. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. And once again, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.